Hey, it's Joe Bob Chamberman with the LuBlueLu SL60D Robot Vacuum. I was super amazed at how well this thing's done. I've had it for a week now. I've used it every day. It is amazing. I'm just blown away. I paid $150 for this. On sale, its regular price $220 is about the average price I've found for it. That's the cheapest price I found for it online at Walmart and Amazon. It's just super smart. So I wanted to come and do a time-lapse video on this. Yeah, when it gets stuck, it finds its way out no problem. It just amazes me. It does a good job cleaning. It's super smart. I can clean it. I can send it just to clean one room at a time. There's no-go zones I have set up for it. So certain areas where I don't want it to go because it's too small for it, or it's just there's cords. It doesn't, the cords are not good. Just little areas where I just don't want it to go. And like the bathroom, I don't want it to go in there and clean the bathroom or anything. I clean the bathroom myself. So anyways, I set up the no-go zones. It's super smart. It mapped the whole house. It's just amazing. So anyways, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The LuBlueLu SL60D, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Click the like and subscribe. Go to Amazon, get you a robot. It was just amazing. This is the future. Wow, there's a robot cleaning my house, man. Anyways, one thing that was a little scary, it comes with a cleaning brush, all right? And on this cleaning brush, there is a little razor. So, it's like, hey, why does my robot vacuum need a razor blade? Little scary. So maybe don't go get a robot. I don't know. That's up to you. But if you do, the LuBlueLu SL60D Vac Mop combo with LiDAR navigation is great. Is awesome. Is amazing. So anyways, yep. Hope y'all enjoy this time lapse. And I will see y'all next week. Like, subscribe, comment. As always, let me know what you guys think about robots. Maybe are they gonna take over the world? Are they not? Have you ever tried a robot vacuum? Do you own a robot? Anyways, yeah, comment, let me know, like, subscribe. Make sure you're out there trying to live your life. That's most important. Don't waste it. Joe Bob Chamberman out.
Bad cleaning.